1000 minus 417. We use different methods to subtract number, but here we will learn how all methods fit together and actually make sense. I'm going to solve this by using two methods simultaneously. The first one is the place value method. And the other one is called the standard method, which is a typical way to subtract numbers. For the place value method, we need a place value table. And here I'm going to draw a place value table with the 4 columns. This is ones place, this is tens place, hundreds and thousands place. Let's fit this first number 1000 in the place value table. We have 1 in the thousands place, so I'm going to write 1 here. We have nothing in the rest of the places, so I'm not going to write anything here. Under the standard method, I'm going to write this first number, which is 1000, and the number which we have to subtract from 1000 is 417. Because right now we have no 100, no tens, and nothing in the ones place. We have the same problem in the standard method. We have to subtract 7 when we have 0 in the ones place. We want to subtract 110 when there is nothing in the tens place here. The same is the case with the hundreds. We want to subtract 4 when there is nothing in the hundreds place here. So what we will do? The answer is regrouping. What we want to do is break up this 1000, and so we can start to fill in these places. So 1000 is how many hundreds? If we want to get rid of this 1000, we can break it into 10 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. Now I think you understand the exact idea behind this standard method of subtraction. How we are regrouping. In fact, we are taking that 1000 and saying that 10 hundreds, and then we take one of those hundreds and give it to tens. 100 equals 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we say that 1 tens, I'm going to take 1 10 and give it to ones. 1 tens equal to 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called regrouping. Let's do the same regrouping in the standard method. We want to get rid of this 1000, so this will be 0, and we are going to give this 1000 to the hundreds. So 10 hundreds equal to 1000. Now the problem of this place has solved. Now we can easily subtract 4 from this number. What we will do with the tens and with the ones places? We'll do the same thing. We'll take 1 from this hundreds place. So there will be 9 hundreds here, and we are going to give this 100 to this tens place. So this will be 10. 10 tens equals 100. Now the problem of this place has solved. Now we'll do the same thing with the ones place. We'll take 110 and make it 9 tens and give 110 to this ones place. 10 ones equals to 110. So this will be 10 ones. Now it's easy to solve this problem. Now we are ready to subtract. We'll start from our right side. We have to subtract 7 from 10. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 9 minus 1, 9 tenths minus 1 tenth will be 8 tenths. In the hundreds place, we have 9 hundreds minus 400. The answer will be 5 hundredths. And in the thousand place, we have nothing. So this is the answer. Let's do the same thing with the place value method. But we have to subtract in the ones place. We have to subtract 7 in the ones place. Okay, let's cut 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many ones left? 1, 2, and 3. 3 ones left. Okay, so instead of writing this 3, we will write 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so in the tens place, what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 1 from the 9 tenths. Yes, we have 9 tenths here, and we have to subtract 1. I'm going to cut this one. So how many tenths left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 ones left. Yes. Move on to the hundreds place. Here we have 9 hundredths, and what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 4. So let me cut 4 hundredths, 100, 200, 300, and 400. How many hundreds left? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here in the thousands place, we have nothing. So this is 5 hundredths, 8 tenths, and 3 ones. 583 is the answer.